In this video I'm going to show you how to search for sounds on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your TikTok application, and there all you have to do in order to search for sounds is to hit on your discover button and there hit on search. Now there you can type in some request. Let's say I want to search for Lady Gaga's song, and I just enter here Lady Gaga, hit on search, and there all I have to do is to hit here add sounds. And now I got bunch of different songs from Lady Gaga. I can hit on any of that song, and there if this button is available, I can hit on use this sound to use that specific sound for my TikTok video. And now I can continue creating my TikTok video as I normally do. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.